So hello digital marketing community. In this video, we are going to be working through keyword research, right? So this is me working for my business, right? So I have a one-off digital marketing system where I provide one-off services to client and my customers, right? And people who want digital marketing services, both keyword research, SEO, just one-off services. So I had to systemize it, right? So currently I have so this is what it looks like. I have a service list. All right, so you just get your service, and my team reached out to you, and we follow it up from there, right? So currently, I'm getting lots of SEO processes for it. I'm creating blogs. I'm looking for keywords to rank for, right? So basic keywords, TikTok services, SEO, social media, SM panels, and all of those kind of systems, right? So for today, I'm trying to look for keywords I can use to rank, right? Keywords I can use to get traction, traffic coming to my websites. And I already have for Instagram already, so I'm looking for TikTok, right? So first things first, I use this tool, Uber Suggest. That's like my go-to tool, right? Uber Suggest. So what I just do, I just type TikTok followers. That's like the broad term, right? TikTok followers, the head term, right? So basically, this extension here is going to give me keyword suggestions, right? So if you look here, if you look at this TikTok followers counting and TikTok followers counter, right? That's pretty a decent keyword to optimize for, right? Because the search volume, see the SEO difficulty. How to get TikTok followers, this is another keyword. This is something here that you can rank for, right? So another thing where I'm going to check again, I'm going to check this. People also search for, people are searching for TikTok followers free. People are searching for how to get 1K followers on TikTok in 5 minutes. Powerful. This is very, very direct, right? So I'm going to create a blog post on this, right? Still linking back to for my distance, right? So I'm just going to save this at the moment. So let me just write it down. So this is basically how I do my workflow for SEO. Most times, just so I have lots of sticky notes everywhere I am, right? So just put it down, or I can copy it, try to copy it and paste it on my notepad. Alright, so I'm just going to do how to get 1K followers on TikTok. Yeah, so keeping it here, I'm just going to look at it. I know, yes, I have a keyword. So I want to always put the SEO difficulty, so I know it's is on priority. SEO difficulty 19. So this is where you get to check the SEO difficulty. You see SEO difficulty 19, right? So I've been kind of working a lot today and doing lots of search. So I'm using the free version of Uber Suggest, right? So I'm always limited for the day. So next thing I want to go to answer the public. I want to go to answer the public, and so two things I'm going to do in answer the public. I'm just going to put in this particular term, this TikTok followers there, and see possible keyword ideas that is going to come in. I'm going to do a copy, Control V here. Yes, right. So two things. I might decide to use Nigeria. I might decide to so Instagram as well. It's been a while I saw this. I can just decide to leave this country, Nigeria. I can decide to put United States. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see something. How to get TikTok followers. So this is United States. So let me just keep it in United States. United States. Let me just keep it in. Just keep my country, United States, and click search. Okay, so we're going to give it time for it to check the web and pull up its resources, and so it's going to give us questions, propositions, comparison, alphabetical structures of the keywords and related terms. So we're seeing here, okay, calm down. You see TikTok followers, this is 23,800 results. Search volume 1800. Let me see. Okay, so I want to change this thing to, let me see, filter mode. Okay, so I want to change it to lists, right? So I can have a glance through of it. Let me see, TikTok followers and like, search volume. Okay, so that's the problem I have it. So these are keywords. Right, TikTok affiliates with followers. So these are keywords, but I'm not seeing the stats at the moment. That's the big deal when you don't have pro plan. But I'm still going to get the best out of this. That's like for the basics. I'm still going to get the best out of it. Right, so let me look for propositions. TikTok. Okay, I'm still going to look for propositions. Okay, bam, I've seen one. TikTok followers for free. Can you see this is the chat volume list like 10K TikTok. So if I click this, let me see. TikTok followers for free. Right. So what I want to do is if I click this TikTok followers for free, then here I always want to use this related term. So if you see here, you're saying how to get TikTok followers for free. This is giving us a search volume of 140. SEO difficulty 11. You see people are also asking for get TikTok followers for free. It's the same thing as how to get TikTok followers for free. So next thing I'm going to check, I'm going to look at what people are searching for. So how do I get 1,000 followers on TikTok for free? How do I get more followers on TikTok for free? How do I get 10K followers on TikTok for free? What is the website to boost TikTok followers? Right. So what I want to use these people also ask, right? I would want to use these people also ask to do my subheadings, my H2, H3, H2, H3 subheadings, basically. All right. Excuse me. So see, also people are also asking which app can I use to boost my TikTok followers. So basically this is informational. This is informational kind of keyword because people are looking for information. People want to know. People are curious. How do I get 1K views on TikTok? So these people are talking about views as well, right? So if you see here again, this how to get 1K followers on TikTok is on 5 minutes. In 5 minutes is like 2K. Get followers on TikTok is like 1.6K per month. So TikTok followers count, I'm not sure what that is, but I'm just going to leave that aside for now. But basically, I'm going to write on this TikTok followers, right? So it's going to be pretty simple how to get. So I'm just going to use this how to get 1K followers on TikTok in 5 minutes, and I'm just going to explain. I'm just going to explain basically TikTok, what TikTok. I'm just going to explain the advantages of getting TikTok, the opportunities they are in TikTok at the moment, how you can leverage your TikTok followers, right? Just add beef to the content. So you just go and start writing straight up. This is how to get it, right? So I'm just going to add beef, not I can, because that's what I'm going to do, right? I'm just going to add beef to this content. What's TikTok? How you can monetize with TikTok, the opportunities you have with high numbers of followers, tractions, and just build the beef around it and the meat around it before you now start getting into the actual content, how to actually get TikTok on followers. So this is where I'll now start giving them process on how to actually get TikTok followers with this my system. Right, so basically that's just how I do my SEO keyword process and that's how I'm going to do my SEO keyword process for this particular system. Right, so I'm just going to look at what is on the trend, look at what people are searching for based on the. So you guys saying TikTok followers buy, right? TikTok followers buy. So this is like another keyword, right? People are looking to buy TikTok followers, right? Then another thing I always do, where is my SEMrush, right? So I use SEMrush here. SEMrush. Oh, Christ. Alright, so this is Nigeria. So this keyword magic tool boosts Instagram followers. So this is for Instagram as well. So if you see this boost Instagram followers, this is a commercial keyword intent, right? People want to investigate on the service of brand, right? People want to know how to boost Instagram followers. So if I do boost Instagram followers here, let me do boost Instagram followers. Let's see, boost Instagram followers. Okay, so let's see what pops out. So boost Instagram followers, so boost Instagram fans. I'm going to leave that aside. Right, so you see boost Instagram followers, right? 5.4K. Okay, so how to boost Instagram followers. So SEO difficulty, there's opportunity for you. So you see 24, 32, right? So if you look at what people are writing best place to buy Instagram followers with instant delivery, free Instagram followers 100%, which of course this is not free. Right, boost Instagram followers, how to get more followers on Instagram 23 smart tips. This is from Wallstream. Cheers, guys. And so these are what people are asking. How can I get 1K followers on Instagram fast? How do I boost my Instagram followers for free? And pretty simple, right? So we want to pay attention to the people also ask. And let's see what people are also searching for. Right, so this is another spot here. Right, so you see for TikTok. So for where's that my search? Yeah, so I don't know why people are doing this. So For TikTok, I don't know why people are concerned about 5 minutes. What is happening in 5 minutes? I need to go and know what's happening in 5 minutes. So for TikTok, they're asking, how do I get 1K followers on TikTok in 5 minutes? And this is also same in Instagram. How do I get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes? Right? So you can do how do I get 1K followers on TikTok in 5 minutes, how to get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes, how to get 1K followers or how to get 1K Snapchat. I don't know what happens in Snapchat, so I can just place my head. But these are two opportunities you can decide to rank for and decide to create content for. And if I click this now, let me see. So let me see what AI is generating for us. And this is from basically same SMM panel, basically that kind of system. Let me see. Okay, no, this is not it. This is like a proper blog, right? So you see how to get ads. So you see how to get Instagram, how to get 1K. Okay, let me see what they're doing on the tab. Let me see their headline. So I only want to use detailed SEO for that. Okay, so if you see here, so what I'm doing, right? So PS, please, if you want to, I'm not saying that you should copy, but if you want to see most of the headlines and the headings your competitors are looking for, you can always use detailed SEO. And if I copy this here and paste it, that means I've copied all their headlines. Well, you can decide to copy and use ChatGPT to modify and redefine and just make it look cool. Pretty simple, right? But well, it happens. So we see here what they're doing. H1, their H1, which is very, very important, is how to get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes. Then H2 is how to get 1K followers on Instagram quickly. These people are just SEO there. So engage with other users, like, comment, and share. Send what people are saying. They're just using the norms, right? Use IG marketers or tools. So related posts, you have to use Instagram. Okay, these are related posts, right? So I think these are the key. So if you see here, this is what they're just writing, just taking time to just give you. Right, so pretty simple. Let's see the traffic that's coming into this website at the moment. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so they have organic visitors. Let me see what keyword pops out the most. Private IG viewer. Yeah, well, I'm doing too much. Let me see. So you see free Instagram followers, AI followers tools. Can you see? So they are having a good time on Instagram followers. Free Instagram private. So this is an opportunity here. Okay, this is the branded name, so I wouldn't want to put my head there. Free Instagram private account view. Right. So I don't know what system it is. I don't know what they do. So I'm not sure. Right, so that's just basic. So if you see, so this from AI overview. So I'm just going to skip that. So if you see other people are writing just almost same thing, how to get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes. So if I want to write on this, right? If I want to write on this as well, I'll just come here and check how people are actually putting up their titles, right? So and what they're actually doing. So simple way to get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes. So this is a backlink from Nairaland. Probably yes, this is Nairaland. So pretty people are doing how to get 1K followers. They're just doing straight. So which means if I want to do, I can always do mine straight as well. If I want to do, you can always do. So free Instagram followers. So this keyword is hot. So 110K visit per month. SEO difficulty. I need to know what is happening in this place. Sorry, so this is how I do keyword research. Basically, I just go in depth and we just go in and just taking. So by the end of the day, I have lots of tabs all detailed like this. Then I start writing them down and looking at the opportunities and writing them down. So if you see here, get free Instagram followers. You decide. So anything from 30 down, I see it as a very, very good opportunity for me and a good spot for me to actually rank in SEO, right? Because SEO difficult. Anything 30 down. If you see here, they always want to put it for you. That's why I love using Medium, right? So with Medium, easy is 1 to 20. Medium is from 21 to 70 ish thereabouts, right? So is what you want to consider when looking at your SEO difficulty, right? So I'm just going to keep this tab here. How can I get 10K? Let me see what other people are searching for. Okay, we have done a review on this. Followers, Instagram 10K. Right, so I can decide to do how to get 10K followers on Instagram in probably how to get 10K followers on Instagram instantly, right? That's like a title I can decide to put, and to cover to cover this Instagram followers 10K. Right. So basically that's just how the keyword is. So most time keyword phrases are very, very funny. You see this one coming like, but you just need to understand, okay, so they are highlighted there because so the idea is you're using it for your title tag, you're using it for your meta description, you're including it in your content. So if you see here, like this one here, you see this free Instagram followers here is being highlighted, and because it's here as well, so they are syncing together, right? If you see this other one, get free Instagram followers, you see it here, and so this is what they are doing. Let me see, right? So this is how what do I call this thing again? Is it extension of forgotten, or I've forgotten what the name? I've forgotten the SEO name that they call this thing, but I think it's for skip. I'm trying to just remember what this is called. Well, if I remember, I'll just put it down. But try is a good thing, right? Just put it there. So it all depends on the kind of I think it's schema. I think either schema or trying to remember though. But that's why I don't need to bug my head with that. But well, I hope this is very, very clear. So this is basically how I do my SEO process and my keyword process, and most times can be very, very boring. So you can stay like 2-3 hours and just finding and just being amazed and pumped, and by the end of the day you have a full list of keywords you can decide to pull out for, right? So if you see here, so pay more so right now pay more attention to Instagram and TikTok, right? So try to build a blog coming in for this, right? So already I have like pretty good stats just for the starters. So this is what it's looking like already. So this is what the stats is looking like. It's just simple keyword, are simple. So just pretty simple, right? And we're looking forward to getting it all popped up and bubbling at the same time, right? So thank you. Feel free to ask me any questions on SEO. I'm definitely going to give you a response, right? See you soon. Cheers.